Hey, what's up guys? My name is Leo Chen of Love of Taste Style. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick apartment tour. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Love of Taste Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Okay, so we realized that our last apartment video was almost 2 years ago at our old place in Queens. And we've lived here for a year and a half now. So I figured we have some time during the lockdown and do this quick video for you guys. Excited to show you guys a quick apartment tour here in DUMBO, Brooklyn. This is a 1.5 bedroom here in New York City. We usually have a gym, lounge, and rooftop that we use, but currently it is closed because of the lockdown. Let's start from the front. Alright, the first thing you see is this entryway here when you come into the apartment. On the side here is my walk-in closet. That's where I store most of my clothes. Can't really show you because it's really messy. And then over here, I got things like my camera equipment, so when I'm leaving the apartment, I can just grab and go. And then over here, we got the kitchen. It's really nice to have a nice kitchen because we work from home and we cook a lot. And added bonus, this is really rare for New York City, we have a dishwasher. This is the favorite part of the apartment, the living room. Since we live in New York City, we don't have that much space, so the living room is also our office and also our studio space. This is our home office setup here. We have our computers and our desk set up next to the window, and this is where Alicia and I work on Love of Taste Style most of the day. In the middle, of course, we got the TV and also got my shoes. I got my sneakers on one side, got my designer shoes on the other side. Also, I shoot a lot of my YouTube videos this way. On this corner of the living room, this is kind of like a studio space. We've shot a lot of photos and videos this way for like lookbook videos. On this rack, I have clothes I'm going to shoot for new projects, and I am working on 2 new fashion brands. One of them is the Love Take collection, and another one is Wear for Humanity. Nighttime, this is where we do our relaxing, watching TV, and this is how we have our dinner. This becomes our dining table. Other parts in the living room, we got a massage chair to relax, and then a faux bar cart here, and then we also have a full length mirror. And then over here we got our bathroom, and then this is really nice, very rare for New York City. We have a washer and dryer.
Hey guys, so I'm Alicia, I'm Leo's girlfriend, and this is our bedroom, but I like to joke that it's just my room. So as you can probably tell, I do really love to read, so this is kind of my prized possession bookshelf. This is my favorite corner of the apartment. It's kind of my hobby corner. I play piano, so I have my piano over here right by the window. I usually sit in this chair and read and get to look out the window, and I sometimes also sit on the floor and paint. These are my dressers here. This is where I like to get ready in the morning, and also my favorite spot to take photos in the apartment. I collect little busts, so these are my favorite guys right here.
Alright, there you have it guys. Quick apartment tour of my place here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.